Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change region language on Amazon app. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Amazon application in your mobile device. Once on Amazon, you are going to tap the following. First, you will see that it says Deliver to Pakistan. Let's adjust that one. Click on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right. And then in here, go to Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down this time and look for Country and Language. Once you find it, tap on it. Now wait for it to finish loading. In here, you can now change your country or region. Just tap on it. In here, choose the country or region that you are currently in. Once done, just click on Language this time. This will now change the language of your application or Amazon application. Make sure you choose the one that you can read and understand. And that's it. Once you're done, tap on Done. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.